Hey guys, today I'll be doing a mukbang of some Chinese food that I made. I have some fried, well, not necessarily fried rice, some chicken, some stir-fried rice, not some stir-fried rice, some stir-fried vegetables, carrots, peas, corn, I think, yeah, and then I made some scrambled eggs on the side. And also I have a Bud Ice I decided to put in a glass to be more fancier, if that makes sense. Are you done? Hello? You asked them what? Yeah, you're gonna get fired. Wow. Nobody that works at the toll road is sincere. Good. So Kiana, so every time you call the toll roads, they be nice to you? That's what you saying? Well, you should try to call one day. Out of the 3 times that I called in my life, they always rude. Then they trying to, like I said before, try to make people buy something when they don't even want it. Then they too lazy to actually look at stuff. All they pulled up the BMW, they pulled up Toyota Corolla. That's the only thing they pulled up on my thing. That was like a long time ago. What? You said you looked through your license plate? I don't even have a real license plate. So good job. Bye, Kiana. I gotta be on video. What up, people? Because let me see if I can find. Okay. Good. I haven't been on the doing toll roads with this car though. But everything is going pretty good so far, I guess. Nothing really major is happening. I'm trying to find another job. Yeah, this job was something else. It's just too much. We all don't want to work in no jobs. What? For what? Go jail? You're right. It's the wrong time to be doing this. Marriage, court, child support. I said like a whole bunch of personals. That's what she said. I am recording the video. Yeah. No, I don't. Sorry. But I'm talking about it now. I am. Give me a minute. Okay, like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. I've been trying to make more videos about mukbangs, but unfortunately, the way my body is set up is not allowing me to actually make videos like that every day. I could probably do one once, probably 1 to 3 times a week. Because every time I make a mukbang video, I always overeat. It's be like, I be literally drained and sick, like I'm about to throw up. Or just like over it. So, not for sure if I'm going to be making any big those lately. Or, I'm going to make some more, but as much as possible. It's like overwhelming. Well, I'm surprised you're still on the phone. Take it down. So what career path are you going to take now? Because you said you don't know if you're going to your job. It's always good. Bye, Kiana. I'm not for sure yet. Just be free and do whatever I want to. I only have a couple more years left. According to some things, hey, whatever you say. Dang, I can't make a good burp on camera. It'll always be the ones off camera that's not good. That's always good. Jeez. Hello there. What's up? What's up? Remember all that hot stuff you were just talking? Nothing, Kiana. So, have you been playing the game on Facebook called Profoundly? Nice interview. No, not at all. I haven't been playing. Nothing really major. Same crap that's going on. Oh man. Maybe my alter ego comes out. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah. But all I've been doing lately is just been chilling, receiving packages in the mail to test out, just chilling. Nothing really major been going on. Going to work, come home, chill, that's all. Nothing new. Hello. Yeah. What's new? Same thing, just a different day. I'm done. It's my bottle I crush. What's a can? Whew, it's been a long day. It's a big one. Oh, I guess I guess this is old people talk about when they've been in a relationship for like 90 years. Gay lesbian relationships is like 30 years. You know, we've been talking, so you just think we at the point of talking about this shit on camera. It's good if you finally do it, Kiana. What'd you do? Kiana. Don't worry, I'll put a screenshot of your picture. So, what made you finally do this, since you want to have an interview about that? Water, drinking more water, prune juice, doo-doo medicine. Good one. Yeah, but it is. Just died. I do not like when I cook. Weird. I said I don't like when I cook. I prefer other people to cook. Yeah, you, my mom, anybody else that been cooking for like since they were slaves, type shit. Sarcasm kills. It is. We had the seafood. We had the seafood, boy. Somebody just said, "Yeah, I have a bigger pan like that." What is the biggest pan that you ever seen in your life? It's besides those slave movies. Biggest pan or pot that you ever seen in your life was on slave movies. Why the hell would you need a hand that big? Hello. Nothing to say there. So you didn't tell my mom you had a bigger pan than the, than the actual wok pan that we had. So did you tell my mama that when you was over here having a seafood boil? You did tell her that. And I was thinking, who the hell needs a pen bigger than that? Besides the slave. Never mind, Kim. Slave ass. What the fuck? What's the funny as fuck? What? What did you say? Are you high right now? Do you ever get nervous, nigga? It's a song. You said you're a Lil Wayne fan, but you don't know that song. And it have Drake in it. Yeah. This nigga lame as... Never mind. It's called HYFR. Hell yeah, effing right. Good thing I had my headphones in. We know you don't care about nothing. I'm gonna have to go look at Little. I'm gonna go watch it on my go in my room. Are you done? Here's this ugly ass little nigga dancing in the beginning of the video. This is too much for me. This is a good nigga, this is a good juke. And I'm like, hell yeah. When did this come out? 2012? Oh yeah. That was the good old days. So, anything else you want to talk about now, nigga? What was that hot stuff you were just saying? I don't know, you tell me. Yeah. This so is whatever. Carbonated. They said it was supposed to be a freaking storm down here in the Dallas area, but it didn't work. What? Who the hell whistles in somebody's ear? Am I a dog? Or why are you whispering in my ear? Bye, Kiana. Have a good day. Jeez, I heard that stuff in my stomach. Like, what the hell? This is uncarbonated. I'm dead. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing major. Just been living life. I know I say this every freaking video. I'm gonna make more and more videos, but I'm gonna place the videos on as I can. Hopefully, now I can do it probably once or twice a week, at least. That makes sense. Yes. So, anything to say now? Adios.
What was it?
What'd she say? What'd she say? Are you going to sleep, nigga?
No, I'm not.
So what'd you say?
I don't know. What'd you say?
Adios, abuela. Or is it abuelo?
Bye.
You don't know what I'm saying.
Bitch or bitch.
What? Kiana, are you going to sleep?
No, I'm not.
Why are you not talking to me?
No, you're not fucking.
This beer is something different in this freaking wine glass. This is how I'm doing this crap, but yeah. But that is all. Hopefully everybody having a great day so far. And take care.